Hi, and welcome. In this lab, we're going to take a look at how to view and edit metadata on buckets using the Google Cloud Shell or gsutil application. So I've opened up a Cloud Shell here, but again, exactly the same things apply in case you would use your own shell and then the gsutil command line utility with that. First of all, let's take a look at how to view metadata. The way we do that is we call gsutil ls -cap l and then -b for bucket, followed by the bucket name. And well, of course, what we could do is first just list the buckets, right? And once we get our result, there we go. We can then do the -L, -b, and our bucket URI. And that will give us the required metadata. So let's take a look at this. So here we have the name of the bucket, followed by the storage class selected, which is standard. Then the location type, that's a regional bucket, followed by the location itself, Europe North 1 or Finland. Versioning, logging, website, course, lifecycle, all of that. Requester pays, all are not defined. We have a couple of labels here. These are the ones that we did in the version where we used the web console. There's currently no default key available, and public access is not prevented. This is a preview feature just lately introduced. Bucket policy only enabled is not true, so ACLs are enabled. And then we're having a list of ACLs. So this is the normal standard ACL set that we're getting, as well as the default ACL that any new objects will get when uploaded here. So this is all of the metadata that we can view here. And this is different from the user interface, right? The user interface had a different set of data available. So yeah, in the web console, we would have the possibility to change that meta information, at the same spot where we're actually viewing it. And that, of course, is not possible over here. So let's take a look at a couple of use cases here. One of the things that we could do is set the default storage class. If you take a look at it currently, it seems to be standard. So let's put it into nearline. So we're going to say gsutil default storage class set nearline, and then the URI. I already overrode that, so I'm just going to copy paste it from up here. There we go. And now it has been set to nearline, and if you take a look at the new metadata, it should have been updated, and here it is as nearline. I'm going to set it back to standard for us. There we go. Another way to view the storage class is to just use the get command instead of setting. So another thing that we can do is we can set some labels on our bucket. So the way to do that is to do label ch, and then have a label and a value in place, followed by the bucket name. And now we can again take a view at the labels that are available. There we go. So the two previous labels were created during the web console demo, and the new label was added right now. We can also delete the label using change -d for delete. I'm just going to use the key followed by the bucket name. Now we removed the label, so we should only have 2 left. And that is true. Remember, we could also set the requester pays feature up on a bucket level. That's done using gsutil requester pays. And we're going to get the current status, which is off, disabled. And if we would want to get it, to put it on, we would set requester pays to be into the state on, right? So this would do that. Now I need to immediately also set it off because I want the files to be publicly available. There we go.